YouTubers, welcome to another episode of BGL Tech. Today we have something from Keysmart. I had reviewed their backpack, but they also recently came out with a wallet. Let's go ahead and get started. Here we have the Keysmart Urban Bifold. It's rugged, it has RFID protection. It can also fit tile, which is the tracking. It has some other features like a cash pocket. You can also put a SIM card, and it's made from tech tough leather. It can hold up to 9 cards, and it also has a pull card tab. So as you can see here, this is the Keysmart charcoal black, and also comes with other colors. And the packaging is not bad, easy to take out. They made it really easy, nothing to cut, easy to pull out. Let's take a look at this wallet. As you can see here, very nice. See all the leather stitching. See the stitching? It doesn't look like any of the stitching is off or anything. It looks very well made. Feels pretty light. Open and close easily. So you have the pull string right here. So you have some card in there you can pull in there. Then this is you put some cash in here. Then this is where you can keep your ID. As you can tell, you can keep your ID in there. Keep some extra cards in here. It also has a spot for your SIM card. Also a spot to, they also put in here a SIM card tray remover. That's interesting. And I believe this is the RFID protection right here, possibly. So as you can see here, you have 5 cards here. You have a pull card tab right here. ID slot right here. Card barrier right here. You have a SIM card tool. And then you have a tile slim pocket in there. So as you can see, oh, this is where the tile pocket goes. I'm sorry. This is where the tile slim pocket would go. So as you can see here, they also make a they also come with other wallets too, which is the a slim wallet, which fits in your front pocket. And I believe this can also fit in your front pocket too, but I guess it's made for the back pocket. But they also have a passport pocket. And as you can see here, you have these barriers so that your card does not slip out. As you can see, it gets caught on the barrier. So I have a couple cards that I could put in here. Let me pull out my old wallet. This is my previous wallet that I'm currently using, which is the recycled firefighter wallet. As you can see, it's the Keysmart is a lot smaller than the firefighter, but I do like the firefighter one. It's very well made, and I also did a review on this wallet too. So I'm gonna put a couple cards in here. Can't show my face, okay? So put my ID in here like this. And I'll put some other cards in here. Take out a couple of my other cards. I got my Venmo card in here. And then you can fit some other cards in here. And then the other cards. I'll put one more card in here, like this. And as you can see, the pull-out string, the pull string, that's how it works. And then you put some cash in here. Currently, I do not have any cash, so, but what I do have is a Texas Lotto ticket. So I'll put that in here in the form of a cash, and as you can see, the wallet holds pretty well. So I'm gonna try this out and see how it goes. And I will put a link to where you can buy this. Like I said, they come with other wallets, and I'm gonna test this out. This seems pretty rugged. Looks like it's pretty durable. So you have it, the Keysmart Urban Bifold Wallet. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. And bye for now.